can grind it, you know, make it look good.
Alright guys, here we are with my older brother. We got some 1-inch diameter bolts. We got some 3/4 inch diameter bolts and 1/2 inch. Drilling through here, he's saying it's just gonna go through
$100 in drill bits. Let's get her done.
I'll finally have a torque testing bench unit setup contraption. This is what he does. Y'all can see he's got a collection of
6x6 by 1/4 inch thick post, angle iron, so he can bolt it 3/16.
so
We'll cut it here.
Yeah,
And then that'll be your legs for the post.
it's gonna be a heavy one.
Yeah.
He's gonna do it with a cold cut saw right now. Got it, baby. One piece down.
Look how nice it cuts.
Nice and straight.
16 inches, right? And then we can do center.
I recommend you go slow. Alright, 2 16-inch angle irons. Yeah, that's height-wise, that's perfect.
There you go.
Look at that. Is that what you're doing first, is welding?
No, we're going to clean everything up first.
Oh, okay.
Right? We're not going to weld all this rusted crap.
I don't know how it works.
We're going to see how it works. That he wants probably $100 for doing this.
I know.
Hey, you gotta know your worth, David. Let him know.
Even ask for money.
He cut up all the metal pieces. He's going to grind everything down, make it look good. Very professional. But we got the 4 spacers, again, to get the smooth parts covered on those big bolts. The 2 angle iron pieces here. The I-beam piece, which is the main piece where all the bolts will be welded. Of course, the main post here that's going to hold the I-beam. So that way we can start doing some torque testing videos for y'all on those impact wrenches and impact drivers when I get them. 6 Bravo is the company he is working on getting going for his metalworking and other type custom works. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'll definitely announce it on the channel when he's ready to go. But that's the just the Milwaukee corded grinder right there. 4.5 inch metal grinder. All right, guys, just so you have an idea of his metal working skills here. This is where he did his welding up there at the top of the post with the plate, got the bolts in, and this I-beam here all the way across and down the center here is all his work. This is what he did to open up the living area with the dining area, make it one huge room. He opened this up, got sliding doors, bigger windows. So it's just really, really great work. If you guys ever need someone to do this kind of work for you, he can definitely do a great job. He also did this staircase. This is absolutely insane. Look at this thing. He bolted it to the studs here on the right side, and then he made metal brackets underneath 2x12s. I don't know if you can see it, but welded the back part there. Metal and wood. Bolted it to the concrete with concrete anchors. I wanted to just show you all some of his work. Yeah, he's cleaning it up a little bit there.
If you give it a 45-degree edge, you can penetrate better.
David, what are you doing over there? You helping out a little bit?
Yep, the inside.
Okay, well, appreciate it, man. Thanks for helping out Mastering Mayhem, man. We're getting closer.
This I-beam, it's 36 pounds per foot. So that I-beam inside there, 30-footer, so you can do the math, 36 times 30. That's how much it weighs. It's like 1,100 and like...
Yeah, okay.
So you could say it's about 36 pounds. It's not quite a foot.
So yeah, he rounded out all the edges here. No sharp areas. Now he's going to get the main post.
We'll set up inside so we can weld.
All right, well, he's setting it up. And this is his welding machine. It's a
Syncrowave 350.
Syncrowave 350 AC/DC welding power Source by Miller. I have no clue. He does. This guy does.
That's a real machine.
And he's mastering the Mayhem right now.
That's right.
And
Clamp
then
it on and then weld it.
sweet.
Tack it and then go to town, basically. But
So there's just like a welding clamp or
yeah,
whatever. Okay. Okay.
so argon gas is an inert gas. Obviously, if you're supplying electricity through a gas that's not inert,
Yeah.
you're going to explode. Right? So the whole point of argon gas is every metal alloy has its own point when it's liquid and it turns to solid. There's a heat period there where if oxygen touches the liquid metal, or
Okay.
even if it's solid but not beyond a certain temperature, cool enough, it oxidizes, it contaminates. Professionally, it makes your weld less pure. So the integrity of the metal is not original because it's contaminated by oxygen while it's solidifying. Argon doesn't allow it to get contaminated because argon there's no oxygen in it. So it keeps the oxygen away from your weld.
Yeah, don't forget 6 Bravo name. You'll see it come up. Watch. He got his business license. He's ready to go. How long you been welding, Chris? Would you say I shot just
Since
the average?
about 2004.
Pretty consistently, right?
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
I started off just because I wanted to learn, and
Yeah.
I started, doing jobs.
It was like fences. Obviously, you all saw the beams. I showed you this beam.
Titanium.
Yeah.
I'd say I'm more of a creative welder. I like to do stuff that's like odd jobs. I like to weld, but I like to create with
All right, so you got your little artist side in you.
more of an artist. Yeah.
He did this table too, where he did the burnt wood look. This table flips and spins, and then he did the rebar here on the side, and he did this just for kicks and giggles. All right, well, we'll let you set up, and then I'm gonna start filming once you get going. What's it called, Chris?
You're sawing the line.
These are called just just tacks, quick tacks. Okay. It's the weld is as thick as the metal is almost, right? Or how? I mean,
Yeah, you're
it's
just going for full penetration. So, I mean, I'm probably not doing full penetration here, maybe like 75%, but that's plenty.
okay. All right, so we're gonna hyperlapse the rest. Just wanted to show you all the first one there. This is exciting, man. I can't wait.
Good luck breaking that. I think if a train hit this, it would still stay intact. Like I said, I'm kind of rushing. The welds aren't perfect, but
Dude, it's
for what you want,
yeah.
there you go.
All right, we're gonna get the second one
That's
down
how I
there.
do it. The guy that knows about welding knows the older machines are better. These are done.
So the post with the 2 angle iron bars to hold it down. Beautiful.
There's your face.
Wait. Look at that, 36 pounds, dude. One arm.
Yeah, solid.
I'm old, but I'm not that old. So you're just gonna flip that on top of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then you're just gonna weld all the way around.
Yep.
So we're gonna weld 4 of these.
Or even the round
1,
one.
2,
The
3,
round one's
4,
fine, too.
just like that. And then we'll put the 3/4 inch 4 on this side, and then the 1/2 inch up and down the I-beam here. So we have space for other potential bolts later.
See how it's a little bit white here?
Yeah.
See that? That's the coating burning off. So the
There's
point is
nothing-
it's not with galvanization in it, so it's fine.
All right, well, we got 2 bolts down, 10
We got-
remaining. Another YouTuber's calling me. All right, so on these, the bolt heads, they grinded them down to get all the material off here, because on the first attempt with the 1 inch, the coating was affecting the weld, right?
Yeah.
That's something to know, I guess. Last one. I don't know if this meets any of the standards. Whatever the standards are.
Basically, if it
But-
don't break, it met the standard.
That's it. That's all I wanted, y'all. And my brother at 6 Bravo hooked it up, man. Look at this. This is going to be my torque testing station, y'all. Wee-wee! I love it. 1 inch diameter, 4 of them. 3/4 inch diameter, 4 of them. 1/2 inch diameter, 4 of them. And this is what we're starting with. If we have to add more, we have space to add more. And I'm going to attach the base. We're going to put 3 holes, attach it to the floor of the shed. We're going to start giving you all some torque testing results on our impact wrenches, impact drivers, 12 volt, 18 volt, 24 volt, whatever volts we have. Whatever I can get my hands on, kinds of tools. Did you want to add anything, Chris?
Nope, turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, remember this, he just did this on the fly because he's, you know, he wants the channel to do well, so he looked out for me. And for you guys as the viewers, of course. We got it done. Stay tuned for videos with more accurate torque results here. If anyone wants to reach out to him for metalwork here in Texas, leave me a message. Contact at masteringmayhem.com or leave me a message in the comments on this video and I'll get you in touch with him. As always here at Mastering Mayhem, looking for the best tools, tech, DIYs, deals for you. Until next time, I only hope all the best to you and yours.